Introduction to Map Interface in Java. Hello, everyone. We're going to look at Map Interface today, but before that, we'll briefly look at the Java Collections Framework. It is a powerful architecture that allows programmers to handle groups of objects. So the Collections Framework provides several ready-to-use collection classes and interfaces, which include lists, sets, queues, and maps, which will be our focus today. Understanding the map interface. So let's talk about the map interface. Unlike other collections, a map stores elements in key value pairs, and each key is unique and it maps to exactly one value. This is different from lists that store elements in sequence or sets that store unique elements without any mapping. Maps are ideal for when each piece of data corresponds to a unique identifier. So it would be like a dictionary where every word has a definition. So in this case, word would be the key and the definition would be the value. Implementation classes of map. So in the Java Collections framework, there are several specific implementations of the maps interface that you can use based on your needs. For example, HashMap is the general purpose implementation that stores elements in an unordered fashion. TreeMap, on the other hand, keeps its entries sorted according to natural ordering or a specified comparator. And linked HashMap maintains the insertion order. And lastly, Hashtable, which is a legacy class, is synchronized and thread safe. And you can see from the code example, it shows different examples. Key methods of map. So let's go over some of the fundamental methods provided by the map interface. We have the put method. Put method allows you to add or update key value pairs. And the get method helps you retrieve values based on key. And we have remove method deletes a key value pair by providing key. Additionally, there's key set, values, entry set. These methods allow you to view the keys, values, and complete entries of the map. So understanding these methods is important for manipulating data within maps effectively. And there are other methods. For those of you who are curious, feel free to take a look at Java map interface reference. Working with maps, this is just another example. Say you want to store user preferences or settings. This is something common that you get to do whenever you're creating an application. You can use HashMap where each setting name is a key and the setting value is the value of this HashMap. Another common use would be counting the frequency of words in a text. You can use the word as a key and increment its count stored as the value each time it appears. And we can see you can print word count by calling entry set. Best practices and considerations. So choosing the right implementation of a map depends on your specific needs. So to give an example, if order matters, you would consider using linked hash map. If you need sorted data, you want to use tree map. If it's important to consider performance aspects, like hashing and tree structures, and if you are using maps for multi-threaded scenarios, you want to look into concurrent hash map since it is a safer bet than other hash map. Conclusion, so to wrap up, the map interface is a versatile tool in the Java Collections framework. Map interface allows you to organize data in a way that is both efficient and intuitive. So I definitely want you to kind of look at different map implementations and see pros and cons in like a specific project that you might be working on. Thank you everyone for listening.